Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I'm going to be reviewing the kind of new, not actually that new anymore, Daiso UV resin. And I have done Daiso resin reviews in the past, but they have come out with new colors since then, and I thought, why not review the rainbow? So some of these colors I have shown in past videos, I believe, and you'll have to check back to see which ones because I don't exactly remember either. But anyway, we are going to start by opening the tube, and we're going to do a swatch test to see how well pigmented they are and if they cure properly, and just to get a feel for the lineup. So I'm using a piece of shrink plastic here and just dabbing on the resin little by little, and it is very loose, liquidy. It's not very thick, so it did kind of run all over the place, so that is something to think about when you're working with it. But here they are. Obviously they're not too pigmented. They are clear resins, so I don't know. As far as the swatch test goes, I was like, oh, I should have more color. But don't worry, after this we are going to make actual pieces, and you're going to see that the color does pop a little more. So if you're looking to make jewelry and stuff with like little bits of this resin, might not be the best. Anyway, since it is the season, I'm going to use this Halloween mold from Daiso, and just going to be really simple. Going to pour the resin in, give it a little mix, and as you can see here, it's a lot more pigmented. You're going to see later that I get air bubbles in these pieces, and I'm assuming it's because I mixed it, because it's only the two pieces that I mixed that got the air bubbles, so I don't know. I used my lighter technique to pop the bubbles on the surface, but not quite sure why this happened. Anyway, the purple, as you can see here, was a bit kind of grainy looking, but a quick mix fixed it up. Anyway, here I am with my lighter, popping all those little air bubbles, and I mean, as far as I could tell, there were no big bubbles in the bottom, but here I am curing it, and here I'm pulling them out. Now the moon looked perfect, and this was just one color. Now the ghost that I mixed didn't cure all the way, so that needs another coat. And then the pumpkin here, look at this, got a huge bubble, and I noticed that the resin was super hot, so I don't know if it's a Daiso resin thing or what, but I don't normally feel like my resin gets that hot straight out of the UV lamp. But again, like I said before, for small projects it's really good. You can have a variety of colors, super cheap, but actually is about the same as buying a big bottle, so it's kind of up to you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!